Hey folks, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 different types and sizes of Christmas trees that are all beginner friendly, super quick, and made entirely from free recycled pallet wood. Now first up is what I like to call the Wumbo Jumbo, and the best part, you don't even need to break down the pallet for this one. Just trace a triangle, cut it out, and from a single pallet I was able to get 2 trees, one from the front slats and one from the back. Now make sure to save all of these offcuts here. We're going to use those later on for the same project. Now once you've got that shape cut out, it's just time for some cleanup. So just make a straight cut at the top and the bottom of the tree, trimming off all of the back slats with a sawzall here that can cut through the nails, and just taking care of any nails that might be sticking out at this point. Next up, you're going to want to go through all of those saved scraps and find 4 of the cleanest boards. Go ahead and cut them down all equal in size to serve as the legs for this Christmas tree. Now I made sure to pre-drill all of these holes since it's made from pine wood, and pine wood definitely splits easily, but with pilot holes it should hold up just fine. And once we got all of those legs attached, it's on to the most important part of any tree, the tree topper. Now I tried 2 different styles for this particular design. The first is just a classic star. So I printed an outline and just cut it out on the scroll saw, but you could also use a jigsaw for this. Now for the second design, I tried just using a pointy top, kind of a classic tree shape. And at this point, I'm honestly not sure which one I like better, but I think both work just fine. Now to attach these stars, I just used some glue and brad nails, and then while I had the nail gun out, I figured I may as well add a few extra nails to all of the other slats just to make sure they don't go running off anytime soon. I am honestly kind of ashamed of how many days I procrastinated the finish because I hate sanding, but once I finally got that done, it was on to the paint. So for the first tree, I used some white spray paint, just a nice classic look. Now for the second tree, I decided to use a red mahogany stain, which I feel like if I have to say those 2 words together, red mahogany, then it's gotta be in a pretentious voice. But this is a 2-in-1 stain and poly mixture, so it should hold up just fine, especially considering this tree is only gonna be outside like 1 month out of the year. Now that first tree was kind of a 2-for-1 because though there were 2 slightly different designs, that's actually only the first of 3 Christmas tree styles that we're going to be making. So on to the second, which I like to call the modest medium. Now for this tree, we're going to need to work with already processed pallet wood, so it all needs to be square and even in size. But once we have all of that set, I'm going to cut 4 different pieces, all equal in length and at a 22-degree angle. And then the top 2 pieces, they'll be just a little bit longer and cut at a 45-degree angle. So what we're building here is, you know, one of those 2x4 Christmas trees I've seen that are all over the internet. It's basically a miniature version of that, but made with pallet wood. So I'm going to attach all of these pieces. They're going to overlap just about 1.5 inches each. So I used some wood glue and some brad nails to hold it in place. And for the top 2 pieces, since they were at a sharper angle, it was kind of hard to hold in place. I used some CA glue and activator, which causes it to dry immediately, which is honestly super nice. I really like the size of this tree as it's really perfect to have on a table somewhere or on a windowsill, and it has a spot in the center there too for a little candle to rest, which I think could look cool. So you could totally leave it natural, you could stain it, but this one, it was meant to be green. So we got the Wumbo Jumbo, we got the modest medium, but don't forget the cutest of them all, the little guy. Now the little guy just takes 1 piece of pallet wood, cut into a triangle with equilateral or isosceles or something, I don't really know, I sucked at geometry, but then I just drilled 3 holes in here and then made tiny little holes for a hook or a piece of yarn to hang from so that you could hang a small little ornament from these. After that, it was just a matter of putting a base together so the tree could stand on its own. So I drilled out a small little piece from the pallet brace here, and then I grabbed my palm router. I don't have a router table. There's probably a better way to do this, but I made a little jig so that I could basically drill out a straight channel in this circle for the tree to kind of snugly fit into. So did a couple small passes, and I ended up using some wood glue to attach it just to be safe, but it was honestly pretty snug, so famous last words, but I don't think it's going anywhere. And there you have it, 3 easy to make Christmas trees, all from free recycled pallet wood. If you enjoyed this video, it would be awesome if you gave it a like down below. And if you want to try these projects yourself, all the tools and supplies I used are linked in the description. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.